Alright guys, 2017 Honda Civic. I'm replacing the intercooler. I'm also replacing the condenser, but the intercooler sounds cooler than calling a condenser replacement. So what you got to do is you remove all this clips that hold the cover over there. Just put it on the floor. There's clips here, right? There's a little hole. You got to put a little pocket screwdriver in there to release this upper part, right? And then on the side of the bumper, there are these screws that you got to remove. So yeah, pretty simple. Let me start removing it and I'll bring you along. Alright, so underneath it looks like he hit something because you can look at the intercooler, it's all smashed up. Right, so you just got to remove these clips. You don't have to remove all of them. There's only certain parts that only go into the bumper, like this, all the way here. So remove those clips and start removing the bumper. Alright, so over here, you remove these clips. You can see the shoddy paint job over here. So there's this hole here. You got to get through the junk in that hole, and then when you poke a little, I use this guy, right? And I just poke in there to release the tab for this flap of this top part of the headlight. So you got to push it in. There's a tab in there. Also, there's one over here too that you got to push. And this top part comes out. That's how it comes off. So next we're going to pop off this bumper on this side, also on the other side too. What I like to do is, so you don't break any clips, is there are these little tabs here. I just use this guy. I go in and I just push it down to release them all the way around. That way you don't break any clips. And yeah, you just do that on this side and also on the other side. So if you have fog lights, make sure you disconnect the fog lights. I just reach around and just unclip them. Same thing on the other side. It'll come out. Alright, so you can see this intercooler, it's all bent up right up into the condenser here, right? And it's also bent upwards. Also, the AC is also empty, so I didn't have to recover anything. But yeah, I don't know if you are looking to upgrade your intercooler. I don't know if they make any upgraded intercooler for these 1.5 liter turbos on the Civics, but yeah, there you go. It's not too hard. Intercooler held on by this bracket, but it's also bent. I got to bend it back. There's a gasket in here, right? This is just a block heater that they installed. It's also bent there. This side looks fine. It's held in by a bracket. Now there's also a couple bolts you got to remove, right, to disconnect that intercooler from the charge pipe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not too hard. You might have to remove this plastic. It's just clipped on here. And then on the back side of the, here onto the front rebar here. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see it kind of curve upwards, right? And you can see the marks that it has been hitting up on that top brace there, right? It's right here, it's all dent up. Yeah, that's about it. So now I got the plastic covers off. I think I'm just gonna replace the condenser first. Let's see. Yeah, or pull the intercooler out. Either way, I gotta pull out either one. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove these guys, and yeah, so just to show you how simple it is if you want to replace your intercooler. So disconnected this. That bracket's still bent, so I gotta bend it back later. They only sit in these rubber things. They don't, they're not attached to it. They just pop off of there. I just remove these plastic bits so I can, lift it, and then pull it out. Simple, and that's how it comes out. Oh, I gotta get the other side. Alright, so got the new one. There's the old one, new one. Just gotta transfer over these grommets to the new one. The new intercooler does not come with gaskets, so you actually need separate gaskets for it, which I do have. Usually parts get you all the gaskets you need. These two are for the condenser. These two are for the intercooler. So go ahead and put those things, swap over the grommets, and yeah, install the new intercooler. So if you want to know how to put an intercooler in there, that's pretty much it. Install your plastic bits. Just clip back here. I'm trying to find a hole. There's one. There's two. That's it for back here. And clip here, and then clip down here that holds the bottom, you know. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, other than that, I'm going to put the condenser in and then put the bumper, and then I'm pretty much done. Alright, so everything is back together. I put the brace back in. There is a block heater. I'm just running it back the same way I originally was, so it came down through that plastic in front of the intercooler. So I'm doing it the same way it came out, and then it's supposed to stick out of the front bumper over here. So that's how I'm putting it back. Yeah, I don't know. Probably a better way to route it, but I'm just putting it back the way it came out. So yeah, other than that, I'm going to recharge the system with that, and I'm going to reinstall the bumper. So yeah, anyways, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. And it's pretty noisy back there. And I'll see you next time.